Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. So today is another Gele tutorial video, so let's get into this. For this particular tutorial, I have to put my hair in a donut, else I'm gonna get caught up and I'm going to pin my hair with the Gele. So I put my hair in a bun and then put elastic over it, not too tight. And then I got the material, and here is it. I folded it into two. It was just a normal material. I don't know. Again, I don't know what this material is called. It was just a material, a nice brown thick material. I put it over my head, and then I just hold each end. Sorry, the camera is not showing what I'm doing under there. I don't know why, but all I did was put the material on my head from behind, and then I grabbed both ends. So I was trying to figure out which was the end, and then I just flicked them over each other, and then put my head up, as you can see in the video. And I just came around and got the material, trying to straighten it all out, because you can see there's too many pleats. There's too many pleats up here. So I got that, and then I got the end. I had to really tighten it to know if that's where I want it to be. So I got my pin, and then I pinned it down. And then I got the other hand and I repeated the same step. This is another way to tie a turban gele using a material. So if this is something that you want to try, please do go ahead and share your videos, share your pictures with me on the socials at Lizzie Atkins on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. So now guys, literally just the rest of the video, it's repeating the same step and using the pin to secure it, because you want your gele to be secured. Secure the bag. Secure the bag. Just secure it. And then yep, that was it guys. I'm gonna leave you to watch the rest of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. And again, do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok at Lizzie Atkins. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. Keep watching. Not bye. Keep watching. Keep watching. That's the end of today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Mwah. Lizzie Atkins signing out. Mwah.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine.